Going to Foster Falls. Wait, what's this? We're going to the bottom of the waterfall? Wait.
Absolutely no hiking after dark. If you hike after dark, you're gonna get lost. And I'll never find you.
Bottom of Waterfalls. Bottom of Waterfalls.
This is that way.
0.4 miles.
What's that sound? Oh, that's it.
Oh, look at that. Is that the falls?
Yeah.
That's the one we... This is the Waterfall?
Foster Falls.
Oh,
To walk to the bottom, we got to go that way. Quarter of a mile down.
okay.
If you jump from that way, you know.
You
Wow.
can swim down there. Yeah.
Look at mine.
Hi guys, I'm going skiing.
Walking up 2 steps.
Wow, there's a little caves there, huh? This is gonna be fun during summer, guys. Summer, this is a fun adventure for family. Wow.
Go back.
Florida. Floridian people in Tennessee. Wow. Rosemi had a good shoes. Right? I really need that stick. Just leave one stick there, Daddy. I'll pick it up. And they maintain the trail too. That's good. Huh? Oh, there's people coming up. People coming up. Oh, I feel good. I really feel good. It's good. Build up muscles. Got all these rocks. Mountains in USA are rocky. Getting closer. Oh, here we go. Wow. Whew. That is, guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that big rock over there. My God. Big rock. It's pretty. Whew. Careful, really. Once you outbalance, oh. So when you guys come down here to the Foster Falls, so if you have a little one coming down, careful. Wow. Look at all that. This is a good place to picnic all day. You can only come down once, get up once, and enjoy all day here. This place is beautiful. Oh, okay. You can only come here?
No.
Having a stick is really helpful. Keep your balance. Because going up, there is no handrail and going down. There's no handrail, so bringing a stick, any stick, it helps. Supposedly you can swim here. So I could imagine during summer there's probably a lot of people that come over here.
Yeah, a lot of people.
Right? During summer. What are you looking for? Oh, you got brush off. Go. My friends, take me. Save my life. Hold my hand so tight. Daddy is shaking it.
Move out of the way.
Move out the way.
Over here to the left, please. Left.
Left. Huh?
Going down is easier, but going higher is harder. Isn't that like a metaphor in life? It's so easy to ruin your life.
What?
You know, like it's easier to go down, but going up it's hard. But it's worth it.
Yeah, yes, the same thing. Same thing in real life. Di ba guys? Sayo na ta mapobre, sayo na ta mabankrupt, pero lisod kaya magpakadato ning kalibutan na, di ba guys? It's like going down to the falls and up.
The other people are going to climb.
Harder going up, easy to go down. Di ba guys? What are they?
The other people were going to climb a loop. That's where they were going.
Oh, okay.
That's where all the climbers go.
Okay. All right. Well. Okay guys, that's it for today. That's the Waterfalls. You have a good day. Bye.